5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, on today's episode, I covered DJ Khaled for his hard work and dedication to win. Now, as far as social media, DJ Khaled is a marketing genius. His marketing skills gets overlooked sometimes just because of his other accomplishments. From a DJ radio personality, author, also a motivational speaker, an advocate for cocoa butter, the list goes on. So how is it a DJ can be so successful in all these different ventures and businesses? Marketing. You see, DJ Khaled's marketing genius recipes are combined with so many different things. Number one, he uses slogans to start his branding on anything he does, from albums to real estate, you name it. For example, when you hear "We the Best," you automatically think of DJ Khaled because he branded it and promoted it for his album and company. Think of it like McDonald's, I'm loving it. You can hear it in your head from the constant promotion. Another one of his slogans are, another one? When you read it, you can hear his voice. These same phrases are ingrained in our minds together with a tone attached to it, almost like a mental Siri. It makes his marketing iconic in the music industry, making sure his energy as a person matches his product as he promotes it, with a motivational quote attached to it, just grabbing the audience and grabbing the community of people he wants to promote the product to. Now here's a list of some DJ Khaled phrases that makes his marketing iconic. Stay focused and secure your bag because they want us to fail and they don't want us to win. They meaning the non-believers and us meaning the consumers he's selling to. What the phrase does is keeps it exclusive to those in his same motivational mindset. Earning the fruits of your labor is something many don't achieve. Just having a leader in that mindset, you're motivated to work harder. To conclude this all up, your energy towards your brand will reflect in your marketing skills. Keeping a constant awareness to your supporters and becoming a walking commercial can mean the difference from a meme that's funny to a meme that can change your life through promotion. Now, some people look at his promotion as a comedy or like a comic skit, but his supporters look at it as a documentary of his life in short video. Just using your personality to market your brand could change your life. Until next time, Mickey made it.
God did. You know what I'm saying? Scenes, Khaled, Kodak, Nardo, the album coming out. God did. That's right.